Classic. I thought I posted this a long time ago, but I just found the raw footage. I couldn't find a posted video, so here it is. The Kuala Lumpur rail system. It's easier than you can imagine. So that's a pretty common, familiar looking plant to me, right? But then check out these flowers. It's just beautiful. I've never seen anything like that. Just truly spectacular. A little orange tinge. Can you? Yeah, it's kind of focusing there. The map is color coded to show you different types of transportation and different routes with all the stops. Okay, so I'm here at the Chow station in Kuala Lumpur, and you see there's a real easy map. And this kiosk is super easy. It handles cash only, and it'll tell you what bills it accepts, what it doesn't. And then it gave me this little chip to get on the train. Let me check. Yeah, so then you just go through there and get on the light rail. It takes you right to Central Station. Super easy. It was 3.7 ringgit to get from Chow to Central on the monorail. And it breaks down, like here, it breaks down the different ways to travel and gives you tickets for all those different ways. So it makes it super easy. And you can hit the English button right there at the top right. Big kudos to whoever designed this, because as an international traveler, this is like as easy as it gets. For me, this is, it can't get much simpler. Especially since I don't like tapping my credit card for anything. Okay, you scan the coin in and you drop the coin in the slot on the way out. I missed that when I recorded this. Pretty loud, but pretty funny. I was busy shooting that video downstairs about the machine, and I just missed the train, so I don't know how long I have to wait, but I'm gonna sit down and take a load off. These benches are funny, and I'll tell you, if you're wearing pants, be careful because they are slick. That's polished stainless steel, and I almost slid right off the back of one the other day. So sit very deliberately and carefully. Well, here we go. The sign just told me train is every 10 minutes. Now it's coming through in I'm assuming that's Malaysian, but it scrolled through in English. I think I missed it again. Maybe I'll catch it soon. But it says train frequency every 10 minutes. Super easy and courteous. Okay, we'll just sit through it. So that's the that's probably coming out backwards on the camera. I don't know. Yeah, every 10 minutes. So not a long wait at all. Pretty happy with the public transportation system here. It is top notch. A lot of places have really great public transportation, and it's hard to compare them all, but I've only used it a little bit here in the last week, and every time I've used it, it's been super easy to sort out and super easy to plan. So go figure.